In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collapse your Trello board lists in just seconds. Say goodbye to endless scrolling through your cards once and for all. Let's get started with this quick and efficient tutorial. First things first, let's head over to Trello. Open up your preferred internet browser and navigate to Trello.com. This is the home page where all the magic is set to happen. If you're not already a member, you'll need to sign up, but if you are, it's time to log in and get moving. Next up, log in using your preferred method. Trello offers a variety of login options to make it easy and convenient for everyone. You can use your Google account, your Apple ID, or stick with the classic email and password combo. Simply pick the method that suits you best, and voila, you'll be inside your Trello account. Now that you're logged in, the real fun begins. It's time to open the board where you want to collapse lists. You can select any board you have access to, whether it's a personal project or a team collaboration. Just click on it so you have the board in full view. Okay, here's where you'll see all your lists lined up neatly side by side. If you want to simplify things and collapse one particular list, just look for the tiny arrow icon near the top of the list header. A simple click on this icon and instantly all the cards in that list will be neatly tucked away. It's visually tidy and helps focus on what matters. A small step, but a significant difference, don't you think? But hey, we don't stop there. If you're looking to collapse all the lists on your board at once, there's an even quicker way to manage that. This isn't just a time-saving trick. It's a sanity-saving one too. Navigate to the upper right corner of your board. You'll notice the three dots, also recognized as the board menu. Click on these dots, then scroll down to select Collapse All Lists. And just like that, boom, all your lists are minimized in one swift action. It's super clean and super fast, making your board look sleek and organized instantly. And there you go, you've now mastered how to collapse your Trello lists in just seconds, whether it's collapsing individually or all at once. Whether you're aiming to declutter your board or simply desire a cleaner view, this trick is a definite time saver that will help you keep things tidy and efficient. If this tutorial was helpful for you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful Trello tips. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.